everybody, it's me here, Randa412I, and guess what? There's fireworks, because it's, today it's, the day before Memorial Day. But anyway, I'm so excited because I just got out of bed, and so did my nephew. And so now we are out here with my mom, and we are all, we found, that's my hair. We found, oh, that scared me. Oh my gosh. We found some fireworks. Cause baby, you're a firework. That's him. With my webcams. Ooh, there's a car. Let's follow it. There it is. Anyway. Shut up. Gosh, you're mean. Okay, well, there's a freaking bug. June bug.
Is that bug?
No, it's just a June bug. I hate June bugs. They're so gross. Anyway, so fireworks. Like, we can't even see it. So I'm kind of, Brandon, aren't you kind of scared? Because isn't that kind of suspicious that we can't even see, like, the fireworks? Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow over there. Like a huge shadow.
Yeah, it's from my dad.
And Brayden, remember, we can't say anybody's last name, okay?
Why?
Because then I'm going to post this on YouTube, and some people just don't say anybody's last name.
But what's my last name?
I'm not telling you. Don't say it, Brayden. Well, again. Well, they stopped. Why did they?
Tongue piercing.
Yeah, my sister got a tongue piercing. Anyway, we have the Mustang right here. Mustang. We had that on it because of the Oklahoma tornado. And as you may know, I do live in Oklahoma. And no, my house did not get destroyed, or my school. I was in there. I was in the tornado. I almost freaking died because shit. That's really annoying. But I almost died because the tornado was right next to our school. But it didn't get hurt at all. So yay! And I was in the school. So yeah. Anyway, I'm on top of here. Oh yeah. Ow. Right, and no one cares about you. I'm just kidding. This is really.
They do too.
Like it's in the middle of the night, and we don't even we're just like out here. Like we don't even have any like pants on, do we? Well, we do, but it's like, never mind. It's just weird. Oh Shay. This is where I filmed LPS Tribe. Well, I probably deleted it. So yeah. Okay, we're coming, Mom. It's a coming person. So I'm like really happy, and it's like 12 o'clock in the morning, and there's no fireworks, and I heard this, so we came out here. We were watching a zombie movie, me and Brayden, and let's run. And some of you may not know, Brayden is only 5, so he can't really run that fast. So you know, this is stupid. I see you! Oh, shit! Let's run across the street. I'm just kidding, we can't. So, we went to the park today, and I'm sick right now, but anyway, I got sick. We were riding our scooters, and I got a scrape on my knee. But anyway, scrape. Somebody's coming! Go! Run! We're in the street and okay. No, it wasn't Kaylee. Kaylee's my sister. I don't know what you're doing. And Brayden is spending the night. He's spending the night 10 times. Look, I'm like right at the line. Me too.
Someone over there, they come back really fast, they win.
We can't run over there. What? I'm bored. I'm like kind of tired. My eyes like sick or something. What?
Miranda!
What?
Ooh, what diabetes do?
Ow, that hurt! I beat you! I beat you again!
Oh, it is.
Get off of me! No! street. There's a crack in the street. Wait, why are we in the street? We're not allowed to be in the street. Oops, I'm in the street. Oops. No, I'm going to do something like really quick. Hold on. Shh. Be quiet, please. Okay. Move. Okay, let it. Anyway. Hey guys, so I'm here. Okay. Ow, my head really hurts. It's so wind. Breathe out, jump around. Boy, cold. Yeah, his feet are in the background. Anyway. Yeah, what is wrong with this? Probably asking that. Stop, Brandon. Don't get your feet in. Don't get your face in the camera. Anyway. Oopsie barnacle sauce. Barnacle sauce. It just got like really dark all of a sudden. Oh, because the security light. Set the security light on. Yeah! We had the security light because baby, you're fire. Oh! Airplane! Cause baby, you're fine. Good work. Come on, show them what you're worth. I'm really hyper. Brandon, aren't we hyper? We ate like a lot of candy today. Ow! Don't hit me.
Why?
He keeps hitting me. Because it hurts. Wait, what's the point of this video? This should be like a vlog. I'm going to do a vlog, yeah. Because baby, you're fire. It's going to be called, Nichole's vlog. Vlog. But anyway, that's not, my real name is Miranda. Yeah.
My real name is Brayden.
Well, okay. We all know that. But, she's going to be, her name is Nichole. Her name. Yeah. Well, that'd be fine. My dog. Just like leaves. Leave out the jungle. Leave out the jungle. Wait, what? What are we doing? Here's a Mustang and the old van. Stop, Brayden. That's really annoying. Gosh. Look at this pretty little leaf. And look at it. Oops. Anyway, Brayden, stop. Brayden's in the road. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. We're not even supposed to be out here. Because we are. What? Don't say anything inappropriate, Brayden, like what you usually say. Do you see my shadow? Yeah, you can see my shadow. So, I'm 10 years okay, I'll give you some of my information. I'm 10 years old. My name is Miranda. And then I have a nephew named Brayden that's like, okay, yeah, okay, no one cares. Anyway, I have a nephew named Brayden, which is like my second best friend. My first best friend that we've been best friends for 5.5 years is Ginger and Beth. Go check her out now. Oh, turn it on. We gotta go turn it on. We did it. No. And Brayden's like a little brother to me. He was born whenever I was 5. Run! I don't know. See, here's my feet.
Here's my big tall feet.
Look at my feet. They look red. But they're not really. I think I just saw a car. Look, she's going to go over there.
What is that?
Firecrackers.
Hi, in the morning we can do fireworks.
No. Maybe go ask your grandma. Ow. Anyway, my mom is his grandma. What are we doing? So this is going to be my first vlog. I've never done a vlog before. Anyways, here we are. So it's going to be called Nichole's Vlog. What? Oh! Let me go ask her. Mom! Can we set off fireworks tomorrow? Mom!
Next week in 6 months.
Can we set off fireworks tomorrow?
Yeah.
Can we? I'm doing a vlog. I'm going to post it on YouTube.
They hadn't done anything. I'm just wondering if they're waiting for them to release it.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. There's people out there. Holy crap.
There's some people. We're going to be a time coming this too.
Yeah, we're probably going to be like in the middle of the street, and then there's going to be a car coming. We don't even notice, and then we're going to look over, and then it's going to be coming right at us. And remember that? This is so mushy. Probably going to drop it. I have an otter box on my phone if you haven't noticed. Brayden, get out of the road. Somebody's coming. My dog, somebody's stupid.
That is.
Ow.
That a Mustang too.
No. Yeah, if you guys are wondering, he's a boy and he has one of my shirts on. It's because, well, he doesn't have any clothes because he spends the night all the time and doesn't really have any clothes. So he uses some of my, clothes. Coming! Yes!
You have nothing but underwear and a t-shirt on and you're outside. Get in here.
I don't have pants on.
No, you don't. You have
Yeah, I do. I have pants on. Do you not see these? These are freaking pants. They're booty shorts. Gosh. I'm here alone. I don't want to be in here alone. I'm going to get my drink. My slushie. Oh, I can't show you right now, but... Hold on, you guys. I'm going to get up here on top of my new secret hideout.
Tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're not that drink down.
You're not.
Huh?
No, we're not. Brayden, do you think I'm mean to you?
Huh?
Do you think I'm mean to you? Do you think I'm mean to you?
No.
People are like, oh, you're so mean to your nephew. Well, for your case, this is what he says. Oh my god. I have like the drink. Actually, it's just a melted slushie. Stop, Brayden.
Pretend this is a bird.
No.
Like when it goes on your phone, you have to say, get off. She does.
Get off of my big, huge TV. This one's cool. I'm going back outside.
Outside?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I want to go too.
This is like really hard to do. Okay, Brayden, don't knock my phone down, okay?
Why?
Because I just told you not to. Because then my phone will break. And we won't be able to make any more vlogs. This is really hard to get it down. I told you not to touch my phone, Brayden. Well, that's my secret hideout. Like I got my book. This book, Wings of Fire. And then a lot of candy in here. And look.
Well,
what the hay? And do you see this? Miranda, Riley's, and Brayden's, and Tilly's secret hideout. Well, if you don't know, Riley is Brayden's little sister, so she's my niece. And Tilly is Brayden's cat. Well, not real cat, just a stuffed animal cat. So anyway. No one cares. Do you guys care? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm really scared. What if there's like a... Brayden! Look what he did. He went all the way over there. I'm scared. Like, what if my mom just comes out here and I'm like, hey! Why are you all up in here? Why are you all up in here? Shh, shh. I'm scared.
You were the pitch on fire.
This house is on...
Pitch on fire.
Hey, Brayden. You want to hold the phone like this?
Yeah.
Okay, Brayden, listen to me. I'm going to be in there for a few seconds. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just leave it like that, and yeah, you can... Here, you can play with the bird, but just don't shine it at your face, okay? Or you could just leave it on the concrete. Brayden, don't do that, see? Here, just leave it on the concrete, okay? I'll be right back.
Someone will kidnap it. What? There was a Mustang. There's an old car. Funny. So, what is doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Did you say you're... Brandon, don't do that, please. What are you doing? You should have just left it out there.
Your mom told me to come in.
Okay. Go. Let me have it. Now look. I'm not talking to you. Okay, so now I'm back and I just had to go get something really quick. Oh my gosh, there's like 50 cars over there trying to come. Let's throw around in the middle of the road. Oh crap. So we do like really... Brayden, hey, how about this? This is going to be our vlog, just me and yours. And how about we do dares, okay? So a dare, I'm going to make up 3 dares each day. Well, if you guys give me dares, then I will do this. Anyway, so the first dare is going to be in the middle of the road to get Nichole to star. Okay, well that's easy.
I didn't step on the tall sheet.
So if you guys think that we're like nasty and stuff,
This is not coming.
no, it's not. Well, then please just don't watch our videos because it's really mean. You'll be like, ew, you're so nasty. I just freaking dropped you. Oh, gotta go down right here. You are again. What? It's so windy. We gotta go. Are we going in?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to quit yet because I've been puffing on it, but it just ain't doing.
Are you doing this?
I am. Well, here's our kitchen. Yeah, you can. Here's our living room where... Yeah, it's so... I don't even know. It's so windy. Jump around, up and down, up and down. Hey guys. Hey you guys. No one cares about you. Okay, so just lay there for a few seconds. Alright, we're back. Now some toffee. Well, she is coming, so. Bye guys. Yeah.